Oh man, this is just beautiful. Whew. I hope you could see that. That looks so incredible. Hey guys, Mike at Patriot Coin Rings. Okay, so I've got a new customer that's got us doing a little bit something different. It's going to be interesting for you guys to see. Jacob Marks out of Brockford, New York. Thank you very much, Jacob. Appreciate your support. Jacob's asked us to do a couple different things. He has got a sterling silver ring, really nice looking ring, and he's got us doing a couple different things. It's got some surface marks to it, some really light scratches. He wants us to remove those the best way possible. There's going to be a couple little dings that might be a little too hard to get out without resurfacing too much of the silver off. And we don't want to make it so thin on them, but we're gonna do a really good job polishing it up and getting as much of the nicks finished off there as possible. Then we're going to go ahead and put an 18 karat gold on top of that. And he wants to do it double gold, so we're going to be doing it double thick. That means that we're going to actually be, just for those of you that don't know, you're looking at 2.5 microns for a vermil coating. And if you want to consider it really gold filled, there's a couple different ways that's measured. One way, they measure it based on the total weight. That's not the way we're going, but the second way is that it's 5 microns or greater. And that's what we're shooting for. So we're going to be doing 5 microns or greater on the gold. It'll have a nice rich gold tone on there of 18 karat. He's also asking to be there. For those of you that didn't know, you can purchase a rush order. Jacob here, he's asked us to do a rush order on it. I only charge $50 when I do a rush order for a customer, but basically it almost gets done the same day, within typically 1 business day. So if you're ever in a crunch, you need something for a gift, or you need something repaired immediately, yeah, just talk to me. Just go ahead and message me in the message bar or something. Let me know what you need. But anyways, getting to the point, we're going to go ahead and do a video for Jacob, let him see. He asked for us to do a video, and that's what we're going to do, and show him the work that's done on it, the process that it takes, and the gold plating and process. So let's go ahead and do this, guys. Now, just a little tip for you guys that are already gold plating and stuff on your anodes. You might want to take a little note of that. This is a little tip. That what I do is I use my laser machine to go ahead and laser all these, so that I don't cross-contaminate any of my solutions. And like this will say heavy cleaner on it. Then it gives me a little reminder. Even though I've been doing this for years, it's just a lot of stuff to remember, all the chemistry in here. And then it'll say, this is 82.2 Celsius is ideal, or 180 degrees Fahrenheit is what that is, at 10 volts, and you want to do it for 60 seconds. So basically I got my little instructions all set up right here on my anodes. And again, I won't accidentally cross-contaminate and put one in another solution, which would actually destroy the solution. Another little tip is that I also do the same exact thing that I showed you that I do on the anodes, on the sides of every jar. So every jar will tell me exactly what it is. I'll put the date the last time I refilled it, and you'll be able to see that on all the different solutions that I have. While it's doing that, I'll show you a little, basically, here's where you have all your different types of precious metals. So if I'm going to bronze plate something, that's your bronze, that's your woods nickel strike. You get your bright gold. This is a gallon of 24 karat gold chrome stripping solution. So that when I'm doing chrome plating, you have to use specialized water, deionized water that's both RO and DI. Silver, you got your 24 karat gold, heavy duty cleaner, that's what we're in right now. You have your 18 karat gold, you have 14 karat gold, nickel plating. Up there we got rose gold, on and on and on. Okay, so, and then I've got other cupboards filled with rhodium, palladium, all the different precious metals that you can possibly want, including ruthenium, black rhodium. So yeah, you just want to be set up so that you could actually do multiple base layers and barrier layers as needed. But this is going to be done now. We're going to pull this out, and what it's going to do is it's basically got it really, really clean. But we want to go ahead and wipe that down because the voltage is actually giving it a little bit of a stain, and that's normal. But that's something that you might want to note, to always clean it before you go to the next solution. So that's what we're going to work on here. So we're going to take this, go ahead and rinse it off on our RODI. Also remove it. So now we got our activator down inside the micron level, and this will give it a real nice gold finish. Much better than if you didn't do this part. Keep your anode as far away as you can from the actual item that's being plated. Otherwise you'll notice that you'll get burn marks. We got the silver going in. We're going to drop it in, and we're going to change the voltage setting from 6 down to 3. I could actually go down to 2, but for the sake of this video, I want to get, you know, an extra thick gold layer on there. So we want it to change really quick. Anything higher than that, anything higher than 4 volts, I should say, is going to make it turn almost brown and not gold. And there is a fixed solution for that if that ever happens. But I just wanted to show you how fast this is going to start taking on the gold. Basically what it's doing is the gold is all in solution right here. It's an acid solution. And the gold is just, it's free flowing throughout the solution, and your anode has got the positive. The positive current is going to be pushing all that gold to our diode, which is our ring, and our diode is taking on the gold right now, and it's going down into the pores. Now it's only been a few seconds, but I want to show you what it looks like. It's gorgeous. This customer paid to do a double dip, so we're going to keep on going. And we're going to get about 5 microns plus on there for them. And whenever you're going to do that kind of thickness, you want to constantly change it in direction, flip it around. Also make sure that the ring is actually here, let me show you. Moved around just this wire part, because the wire part could actually create a burn mark. And do you see how this is like laying against a glass? Try to prevent that from happening. Move your wire out and bend it to the glass so that it doesn't touch. If you want, you could always use like a piece of plastic and put it right between the wire to actually move it away. But we got it off the glass right now. We just want it to get gold plated evenly all the way around. Okay, so I am back, and actually I left it a lot longer than I thought. I've left this in here for an hour, and so you've got a lot more than 5 microns on here, and it looks rich. Let me first dip it. Get this off of here. Okay, we'll turn this off. Let's go ahead and remove this without scratching the gold. Okay, dip it in your water, your RODI water. Let's go ahead and get a steam cleaning on it again. Now let's dry it. Oh my God, that's beautiful. And kind of like the little finale, this is Island Glow. Island Glow is a really good final treatment on your gold items and gold plated items. It'll prevent you from putting your finger oil on there and getting fingerprints and so forth on it. It takes a little bit. Oh man, this is just beautiful. Whew. And I hope you could see that. That looks so incredible. That is just phenomenal. I'm going to try to put it on a piece of paper so that you can actually see just how much gold that is. That is on there thick. Okay, so let's get a piece of paper just so you can see how incredible this looks. I got to get a close-up look of this. Okay, Jacob, that's it. You've got one beautiful ring coming to you. There, like I said, you know, short of actually sanding it down and getting every microscopic scratch on there and everything, you have to really, really look close to see anything. But that looks absolutely gorgeous, and the gold tone is just super rich. You got a lot more gold than you asked for. I hope you love it. And for those of you that are watching to see how to gold plate, that's how it's done. If you guys have any gold plating questions or you guys need any gold plating done, feel free to contact me. You either contact me right here on the YouTube channel, or you could go ahead and go to our website at patriotcoinrings.com. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.